One of the most common problems when dispersing powders into liquid is the formation of agglomerates. If these are not dispersed, they will affect the look, texture, and performance of the product. So, what is an agglomerate? In simple terms, it is a lump, but there are different types. There are gel-type agglomerates, which form when hydrocolloids such as gums and thickeners are poorly dispersed into liquid. As soon as the gum gets wet, it forms a gel, trapping dry powder particles inside an outer gel coating. These are sometimes called fish eyes because of their gelatinous appearance. In suspensions, you can get another type of agglomerate where solid particles stick together even if they've been milled or pre-micronized. They may be tiny and you might not even see them with the human eye, but they affect the end product. With pigments, for example, you might end up with unwanted flecks of colour in the product. So, how do you get rid of agglomerates? You can filter them out, but that is wasteful because you discard some of the ingredients added. This can result in formulations specifying a higher percentage of some raw materials than is actually required, simply to get the desired end result. However, if you can disperse the agglomerates rather than filtering them out, then you will get the full yield and reduce costs. One of the best ways to get rid of agglomerates and avoid them from forming in the first place is to disperse the powder into liquid using a Silverson mixer. The high-speed rotation of the rotor creates a powerful suction that draws the powder and liquid into the workhead. Centrifugal force then drives the materials outwards and forces them through the holes in the stator, subjecting them to intense mechanical and hydraulic shear, which breaks up the agglomerates. The product is projected back into the body of the mix. In a short mixing cycle, the entire contents of the vessel passes through the workhead many times, progressively reducing the agglomerates in size until dispersion is complete. With gums and thickening agents, the agglomerates are broken up as they pass through the workhead, exposing the dry powder within to the liquid. This ensures all the powder is hydrated, maximising yield. This may allow products to be reformulated to reduce the gum content and production costs. Where there are hard agglomerates in the mix, the lumps are soon disintegrated and the powder is reduced down to its individual particle size. If you want to find out more, visit the Silverson website or contact us today.